10 more, thank you. Running a little late because we added a couple stops. In the back, sit down, thank you. They're long, but they're actually pretty easy to drive. My real job is community education coordinator, which is after school athletics and enrichment at Roosevelt Middle. I'm not only driving, but I'm still running my sport. Coaches, we're good?
Going well.
A few of them are shocked when they walk up. Mr. Ace, what are you doing on this side? All right, guys, have a good game. I work with the community education team coordinators. Make sure you got all your stuff with you. There's 6 of us, 1 at each middle school. And we plan our athletics, scheduling practices, games, officials, and ordering buses.
Grab that, grab that.
Last year in the fall, there weren't enough bus drivers. So we had to cancel all competitions. This summer I decided that I would get a bus license so that I could help get kids to our games and meets. The plan was not too often, just to help out, because it's hard to run your site and not be at it. 5:30 to base. Today was a perfect example. Several people at the bus company out sick. I'm still at Northdale with flag football. Do you want me to run up and get Coon Middle? I had one small route plan so that I could get back, do my thing here, and it became 4 or 5 trips added into one. Do they have a driver close by, or should I just run over there? It's been a little tedious, but I don't regret it, because I regretted more telling 100 plus Roosevelt students no games. It's a lot of extra coordination trying to figure out how to get kids to everything. And all the coordinators are working at this. It's not just me. We've had a couple coordinators go officiate soccer games. So we step in wherever we need to. That's what community ed does. We're always, helping out, making sure things work. Holding, pass interference. They call us community school coordinators, and we earned that name. I'm gonna park us in the lot right here. There's physically plenty of buses. It's the person sitting behind the seat that there's still really not enough. They still need more to help our program run smoothly. I did it because I want to make sure every kid that's in middle school athletics gets to go to a game, a match, a meet, or a competition. Trying to do 2 jobs is pretty tough, but hey, everybody got to play today, and that to me is a big win.